Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about a story related to Excel. It's about Jassica, a marketing assistant who just started her career and encountered many difficulties in Excel, but finally found a solution. Jassica, as a newcomer to the workforce, had a basic understanding of Excel that was limited to basic inputs and simple calculations. However, her job required her to use Excel for tasks such as analyzing sales data, forecasting market trends, and creating and maintaining reports. This was a significant challenge for her. In order to overcome this challenge, Jassica began searching for Excel teaching resources on the internet. However, she quickly felt confused and frustrated. Many of the tutorials seemed both profound and abstract, making them very difficult for someone just starting to learn Excel to comprehend and apply. At the same time, Jassica found that even when she could understand the content of some tutorials, it was difficult for her to apply them in her actual work. This was because she lacked a real scenario to simulate and practice. At this point, Jassica discovered our online Excel course. The design of this course was based on the solution Jassica needed. Our course provided simulated business scenarios, allowing students to learn and practice using Excel in an environment close to reality. Each scenario included a problem in a corresponding Excel solution. In this way, students not only learned how to operate Excel, but also understood when and how to use Excel to solve real problems. Jassica began her learning journey. Every day, she spent an hour on our platform learning a new simulated scenario and its corresponding solution. She found that this learning method made it easier for her to understand and master the functions of Excel. Furthermore, since these scenarios were from the real business world, she was able to immediately apply what she learned to her work. A month later, Jassica had become her company's Excel expert. She was able to quickly use Excel to handle complex data analysis, create various visualized reports, and even began teaching her colleagues some Excel tips. Her work efficiency greatly improved, and she also gained recognition from her boss and colleagues. Jassica knew that all this was due to our online Excel course. This teaching method of simulated scenarios allowed Jassica to immediately apply the knowledge and skills she learned to her actual work. Moreover, since the course provided many different problems and solutions, Jassica was always able to find a new method to deal with the problems she encountered at work. This made her work more interesting and satisfying. More importantly, this learning method made Jassica feel confident and satisfied. She knew that no matter what challenge she faced, she had the ability and knowledge to solve it. She was no longer afraid of data and Excel, but rather, she began to enjoy the process of using Excel to solve problems and improve efficiency. This is the goal of our course. We hope that every student, whether they are Excel beginners or experts, can find a suitable learning method through our course, and can use Excel confidently to improve their work efficiency and productivity. For students like Jassica, our course is not only a learning tool, but also a booster for their success in their careers. If you need ChatGPT to help you calculate the total sales amount for each sales record in the document, you can give a prompt to ChatGPT. Generate VBA code to multiply the values in F2 and G2 of the current Excel file and write the result into H2, then fill this formula into the cells in the H column. Execute. OK, it's written. This code first finds the last row of column F, then writes out the formula that multiplies the values in F2 and G2 to get H2. Finally, it uses the autofill method to fill this formula into the last row of column H. Now click on the copy code in the upper right corner to copy the code. Then go back to your folder. First, press Alt F11 to quickly open the Visual Basic editor. Second, add a module by clicking the Insert User Form button and then selecting Module. Third, press Ctrl+V to paste the code you just copied. Fourth, run the code by pressing the play triangle icon. Here we can see that following the given steps, our total sales have been calculated. Unexpectedly simple, isn't it? If you also want to quickly master Excel skills like Jassica, improve your work efficiency, then subscribe to our channel immediately and join our online Excel course. Through our meticulously designed, simulated scenario learning method, you can easily apply Excel skills to solve problems in actual work. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, our course can provide you with the knowledge and skills you need. Subscribe now and start your Excel learning journey. Subscribe to our channel now, join our online Excel course, start to improve your Excel skills, and succeed in your career. Don't let the difficulties of Excel hinder your development. Come and master the magic of Excel. Our online Excel course aims to help students overcome Excel challenges and stand out in the workplace. Through our carefully designed course content and real scenario simulation, you will be able to easily master Excel skills, improve work efficiency, and achieve success. Subscribe to our channel now and start your Excel learning journey.